Take out the 4 straps. Determine the binding point according to the width of the bag. Fixed straps. Fixed bag body. Store the straps one by one. Take out the shoulder strap. Swivel hook fastening on shoulder strap.